There's a storm coming, and I need a hand to hold, with the fear of being here on my own, where the wind's blowing.
You tired? Alright guys, so this morning the kids have online school, so I'm going to get them ready to get started with that. I also have some cleaning to get done and some Christmas shopping to do, and Cohen has a hockey game, so we've got a busy day today. Alright, so I just turned the heat up. It's pretty cold in here. We usually like to keep it cool at night. And I'm just gonna go wake up the other boys for school because they're gonna do their online school now. It's still quiet in the house. You guys check out the view out this window. Wakey, wake you guys. It's so funny. Sometimes I will find the boys jumping into each other's beds and then one of their beds is empty. So I think maybe in the new house we should try bunk beds or something like that because they do like to hang out together. Alright, so the boys are all set up on their online school. I'm just going to grab myself a glass of juice and then I'm going to go upstairs and get ready for the day. Okay, so I'm just going to use my Saint customizable eyeshadow palette here to finish off my eyeshadow. I'm just going to do something really simple and easy since it's just a busy everyday mom day for me. So I did link my makeup information down below in the description box in case you guys want to know what I used. But now I'm just going to go ahead and do my mascara. I've already done my eyeliner because I am terrible with eyeliner and it takes me forever to do it. So I went ahead and did that off camera. Before I head downstairs to start cleaning the kitchen, I just want to get my rechargeable hand warmer plugged in. You guys, I got this last week and I just can't go without it. You all know I spend a lot of time at the hockey rink and this little device keeps my hands toasty warm in the freezing cold arenas. It is perfect for outdoor sports too. All I have to do is plug it in with the USB cable, and once it's charged, it has 3 warmth levels. It gets toasty warm and it takes the chills right out of your fingertips. And the neat thing is, it is also a charging bank. The other moms at the rink love this thing. It is so handy to keep on you. This one is called the OCOOPA and you can find it on Amazon for $32.99. I'll have the link down below for you guys. I absolutely love mine. Okay, so I want to get some cleaning done before I head into town. First things first though, I have to call Dyson Warranty because my vacuum has been acting up and I cannot live without this thing, you guys. Anyways, I'm going to let you guys know what happened after I got off the phone with them. They were out of stock on the part that I need in order to get that vacuum working. So they were going to send me a new one, but that one is out of stock as well. So I'm kind of in freak out mode here until I get a new one because I'm going to have to sweep my other Dyson that I had, which was the very first one that I had. It is a plug-in one. That one also needs a part changed. And honestly, I have used that one I think for like 7 or 8 years. It has been such a good vacuum to me, but the plug is getting worn out, so I just need to get that fixed and replaced. So I am down to 0 vacuums right now, so it's panic mode for me. So while I'm on hold with Dyson customer service, waiting for my turn in the queue, I'm just going to keep my phone on speaker and unload the dishwasher and get the dirty dishes loaded up, get that sink emptied out too. This little cabinet over here is our shaker bottle cabinet. We have so many different shakers. I can't believe it takes up a whole cabinet full, and even that is starting to overflow. If you guys have some dishes in your kitchen sink or just on your kitchen counter, this is the perfect time to go ahead and play this video in the background while you're getting your kitchen tidied up. I have a sink full of dishes here, and this really needs to get cleaned out because I can see there's a lot of food junk in the bottom of that sink that needs to be cleaned out. So that's what I'm going to do right now. All right, so now that sink is starting to empty out, you can see all of the food particles left in there. That really needs to get cleaned out because it looks so gross in here right now. So I have a few more dishes left to take out of here, and then I'm going to rinse the sink out and get it cleaned up. This is why I am so happy to have a sprayer for my kitchen faucet. It is so handy when you have a big sink and you need to get all the food cleaned up out of here. I also have a little strainer plug, which is perfect because I can adjust it so that it drains the water out of the sink, but also still collects the food particles. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. All right, the sink is mainly rinsed out. I still have a few dishes to load into the dishwasher though, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. All right, the pan is really quite gunky, so I'm going to let that soak in the hot water for a few minutes while I go ahead and wipe some counters down. Okay, so Pacey is on break from his virtual school, so I'm just having a little chat with him while I wipe the kitchen counters. Here I'm just using my Young Living Thieves cleaner and spraying the island down and wiping it.
Don't wanna be shy.
Alright, so it is time to deal with those last few pots and pans in the sink. They've had some time to soak, so I'm just going to add a little bit of fresh water and some dish soap and get those scrubbed and cleaned.
Down and you're 10 feet underground, when you're so deep you're about to drown, when you're in the lost and found, 'cause heartaches only last a day. Ooh, but your heart will never fade away. Go out and find your way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Ooh, be you, yeah, only you.
Now that all of the pots and pans are officially washed, I can go ahead and wipe the sink down and get all of that food crud right out of there, because I won't be needing the sink again other than just to wipe the kitchen counters.
Somewhere there's a sign, either fate or the big sublime, 'cause rainstorms always move away. Ooh, but you'll go till night turns into day. Go out and lead the way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Ooh, be you, yeah, only you, only you. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be you.
Okay, so I'm just going to put away these pots and pans, and then we are officially done the kitchen other than just doing a little bit of wiping. Then I am going to be ready to head into town. I have some Christmas shopping to get done and Cohen's hockey game to attend to, so it's going to be a fun day.
Not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be
It is so nice to have the kitchen all cleaned up and ready to go for when we get home. There's nothing worse than coming home to a messy kitchen. So we'll probably be eating dinner in town today because there just will not be enough time in between Christmas shopping and Cohen's game to come back home and eat dinner here and then go back to town. Our house is about 35 to 40 minutes from the city, so there's just not enough time to be running back and forth. So we'll be eating in town, and then I'll be coming home tonight to a nice clean kitchen. Okay guys, the kitchen is all done. I'm going to go get the kids. We're going to pack up, load into the vehicle, and head into town now. So we are currently rushing to a store to see if we can get a certain Christmas present for the boys. I guess I probably shouldn't say which one, but they're sold out everywhere. So anyways, we're trying to get there right now, and all these cars are in the way, so get out of the way.
Oh no,
It's a red light.
of course it is.
Are we gonna make it? So we know that it's in stock. We know it's there. There's only one, but they wouldn't hold it for us. So now we're trying to get there. It's green.
Did you tell Steph to go the other way?
I did. Hey guys, I'm so excited. We were able to get that present that we were rushing to the store for. So the kids are gonna be so excited on Christmas morning. Oh my God. I don't really want to say what it is on camera just in case they watch this video, but I'm gonna go home tonight and wrap some presents. So I have to hide it from them. So I'll hide all of the presents in the closet, but luckily the kids, like, they're really good. They don't want to see the presents, so I don't have to worry about them snooping around. So I'm going to tell them, stay out of our closet. That's where we're hiding the Christmas presents. So I'm so excited, and I will show you guys once they open it on Christmas what it actually was. All right guys, so this is pretty much it for my day. It's been a busy day. Right now I'm at Cohen's hockey game, and wouldn't you know it, my hands are getting really cold, so I pulled out my toasty hand warmer that I had ready to go in my purse. So I'm super happy I had that charged from earlier. And after this game we're going to be heading home, and we're going to be getting home pretty late. So I am just really glad that I got that Christmas present earlier for the boys. The kitchen is cleaned. We had a pretty productive day, and I'm just glad that today worked out the way it did. Alright guys, so that is it for my video. I cannot wait to get home and to jump into bed where it is cozy and warm. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys got to see a whole bunch of different things today. If you want to see any more of my videos, please make sure you guys are subscribed down below, and I will see you guys next time in the next video. Bye!